Alrighty guys, in this video today I'm going to show you a really good method that you can get started today and make up to $120 per day in a short amount of time on a relatively up and coming new freelancing website. And you're going to start a good freelancing service here and get in early on this one and be able to make some money fairly quickly if you apply yourself. Alrighty, well guys, if you're interested in seeing this video, let's go ahead and get started on it. I'm anxious to show it to you. But for those of people that are new to my video right now, if this is your first time and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there right now below your video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos, which I do pretty regularly here on this channel. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get started in on this, guys. This site that I want to show you is up and coming. It's relatively new. And what you want to do is you want to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called 5Squid. Look right up here in the address bar. It's 5squid.com. You see it right there. And this site is based over in the UK. As you can see, the money is in pounds right here, but there are lots of people from the United States that are doing this too. And well, I'm going to call it dollars instead of pounds because it's just a little bit of difference in terms of a change or a few cents difference between the British pound, I believe, and the US dollar. Alright, so as you can see that this is a freelancing website just like Fiverr over here. If we come to Fiverr.com, Fiverr is a freelance site. Most of you know about this. I like this. It's one of my favorite sites right here. And then what you also, this is a site that's very similar to peopleperhour.com as well. It's also a freelancing site. And this site here called 5Squid is relatively new, like I said, and up and coming. And you can have a service here on this site. As you can see, that there are all kinds of services that people are offering on this website right here, just like on Fiverr and People Per Hour. But the difference is, if I click up here on my similar web right here, you will see that when it comes out, there are not that many people here so far yet. This monthly visits to this site, guys, is only 175,000 at this point in time. And you can see that it did back in April, got up to about 180, what is that, about 251,000 people. And then it went down and it's starting to come back up now. This site you can get in on, and as you can see, the global rank is still fairly high here, and the country rank in Bangladesh is where this is located at, is still fairly high. So you want to get in early on this one. Now what you do here is you want to come up here and you want to click on join right here, guys. And when you click on that, you can create a local account right here. And my guess is they'll probably send you an email confirmation. So you want to get your account verified if you decide to do this. But if you look right down here, you can also sign up with your Facebook account, with your Google account, and with your Twitter account as well. And then once you get signed up, just go ahead and come back and get logged in after you get your account verified. And I'm going to go ahead and log in with my Google account here, as you can see. Alrighty, guys, and once you get signed into the site here, you can see that it opens up and you see your inbox here and your seller and buyer and so on and so forth. And what you want to do is come over here under seller. You see where my mouse is right here, and come down to where it says create a service right here. And you're going to create a service in this particular niche that I'm going to type into here right now. You just click on create a service, and then what we want to do is we're going to create a service, and I'm going to show you one service that's really good and how to do it for free, and how it's not going to cost you anything to make around $120 a day as time goes on. You build this up now just like you would on Fiverr or People Per Hour. So once you come over here, there's there's all kinds, as you can see here. You can do logos, you can do blog writing, you can do any kind of freelancing service you want, but I'm going to show you one today, and another site and a tool that you can use to be able to start your business right away if you're interested in what I'm going to show you here. So watch what I'm doing. I'm going to type in here in our thing here. I'm going to type in mock-ups right here. And you see it loads up mock-ups right here. And it says right here, all kinds of people. It says here, like, I will do 25 stunning t-shirt mock-ups with your design. People put mock-ups on vehicles. I mean, all a mock-up is anything that you put onto anything. I mean, it can be a computer screen. It could be like the back of a car like you see here. It could be a t-shirt. That's all it is it's someone's design on some particular product or some particular piece of hardware, basically. All right, so this site you can create a service in. Just come up here to seller and then come down, create a service, and then you can create your service in a mock-up. It'll probably, like Fiverr, it'll walk you through 4 or 5 setup stages or pages to go through and set up your service, and you can use any one of these other ones to sort of model your service in doing mock-ups in there on your service. So just model yours. You don't want to copy someone else's exactly. Just use theirs as a model to design your particular service on here. Same thing I tell you guys on Fiverr and or people per hour. You just want to use someone else's to model after. All right. So now you might say, well, Kevin, you know, I've got this thing. How am I going to do these mock-ups? I don't have these designs. I don't know how to do this, so on and so forth. Don't worry, I got you covered. What you're going to do is you're going to come over to this site right here. It's called Smart Mockups. You see it right up here in the address bar, guys. It's smartmockups.com right here. Now this site is free to use, and they do also have a paid version as well. So you can see I'm already logged in here. It's just a matter of coming out. I'll just sign out here. And then what you're going to do is come up here and it'll say get started for free. And this site you can create stunning product mock-ups easily and online. And then you can see that there's just tells you a little bit more about it down through here. People putting mock-ups on mugs and all kinds of pillows and anything that you can think of. People may want to put a design on that, and you can create those designs right here on this website very easily and for free. And stick around because I'm going to show you how to do that here in just a moment. So what you want to do is come here to smartmockups.com and you want to click on get started for free, and you can see they have all kinds of different categories here that you can do it under. Technology, you can have custom prints, packaging, apparel, home and living, all kinds of different things that people may want mock-ups put on. Okay, so what you want to do is click here to get started for free. It'll bring you over here, and you can sign in with Google, or you can choose to sign up with your email address. And my guess, again, they will probably send you an email confirmation. I just signed up with my Google account, so I'm going to go ahead and log in here with my Google account. And then you can see that it logs me in over here. Now, what we want to do is let's click on all mock-ups right here. I mean, there's all kinds of different categories. So if we click on all mock-ups here, guys, and then you can see that all these different things that you can put your designs on. I mean, t-shirts, they got smartphones. You can do it on mugs and desktops, laptops, tablets, magazines, books. I mean, it goes on and on and on, even on face masks for the coronavirus pandemic stuff. Alrighty. So, for example, just to show you how easy this is to do this, guys, which I do want to show you. I told you they do have a free version. If I come down here to the bottom and I click on pricing, and you can see right here that they have a free version right here, guys, of this tool that you can use. You know, you have one user account, and you're allowed up to 800 mock-up templates right here. Now, for the Pro at $9 a month, now that's the annual billing. They do have a monthly billing of $14 a month. For the Pro, you have up to 8,000 plus templates that you can use. So I would start out with the free at first for your mock-up service here on 5Squid, and once you start making money, then you can sign up for the Pro and have a little more advanced features and things like that. Alrighty, so nonetheless, coming back here, so let's just show for an example. I want to show you how easy it is to do this. So if I click on, for example, I'm going to come under technology here, and let's say I click on laptop computers here. So you can see all these different types of mock-up pictures that they have just because I chose the laptop computers, and all of these pictures or images show someone or a laptop computer, somebody sitting on a laptop computer. And I mean, there's just all kinds of them here, guys, to choose from. So for example, let's just pick one to show you how easy this is. So for example, if I pick this one right here and I just click on this, it loads it up over here, and you can see it right here. And then all it is we can upload our image from our computer or online somewhere, or we can use a URL or a web address to attach our design to this particular laptop screen in this picture right here. So for example, I'll just go ahead and upload an image from my computer. You can upload from Canva and Dropbox and a couple other places too. So I'm going to go ahead and pick an image down through here, guys, just a moment here. And there you go, guys. It's just a matter, you just click on upload and it puts it right in there, which you can see that's the front of my YouTube channel right here, guys. That's what that is. And incidentally, by the way, if you like this video, reach down there right now and give me a thumbs up if you like the idea of this method on a really good upcoming website that you can get in on early and start making some good money relatively quickly, I would think. So anyways, guys, you can see how easy it is, and then it's just a matter of downloading it here. And so if we click on download, you can choose between medium, high, super high. Let's just choose the high quality download, and then we'll click on open the file. Hopefully it'll load up here on my screen, and there it is. You see it downloaded that whole picture, and it's got your design right in that laptop, just like from the picture that you chose. You can see how easy it is to do that, guys. And then what you do is you just take and bring that back to your customer. When you got a customer that wanted you to do something like that, you just bring that file back to your customer, and then you get paid. And you can set your price anywhere from $5 to $10 up to $50. It's showed on there, or whatever price you want to. You just want to make sure you don't overprice yourself, or you don't want to price yourself too low compared to the competition that you see on this as well. So all you want to do is design your service on 5squid.com here in mockups. Just use someone else's and model after that, and then when you get an order, you can come over here to smartmockups.com and create what it is that they want on whatever it is that they want. I mean, there's all kinds of things that you can put it on here in the column on the left, guys. As you can see, you'll have the ability to put it on whatever your customer wants it on, and that's how you're going to make money with this particular method today that I wanted to show you. Guys, if you like this method, give me a thumbs up down there. Also, don't forget to reach down there, hit the subscribe button, and click that little notification bell too. And if you have any questions about this video or any comments, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. Also, if you want to see my #1 free affiliate marketing presentation on how to do high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there below the video at the top of my description down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and check out what's available there for you. They'll teach you how to start a high-ticket affiliate marketing business starting today. Alrighty, guys. Well, guys, come over and take action on this particular method and get in on this site early. There's all kinds of other ones you can do. I just wanted to show you the mock-ups one today because of this tool that you can use for free called smartmockups.com. Alrighty, guys. I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.